Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete comments from your cards in Trello. Now as you can see here guys, I'm in Trello and I'm going to quickly open up one of these cards here from the list. And in order to delete a comment, once you look on that card, you can see the activity and you can find those comments. So you can easily go ahead and delete those comments. So all you have to do is just simply click on delete, then delete comment, and you'll be able to delete that specific comment. And that's it. Keep in mind though guys that you can only delete your comment, right? Or if you are an admin member, you can delete the comment. If you're not an admin, then you're not able to delete those comments, right? But that's it. That's how you basically delete comments. So as you can see, I'm going to head over to admin account here, and I'm going to simply go ahead and open up this specific card here. And as you can see here, I have the option to delete this comment because I'm an admin, right? So if I go back to this next account and I'm going to simply write thank you as an example, I'm going to save it. This person does not have any admin account, right? But they can delete their own comment. But if I jump back over to the next account, right, and I'm going to show you that this account here is in fact the admin. So if I go to members, I'm the owner, and you can see that I have the admin rights, right? So if I go back to the specific board and I go back to the card, you see that I have the option now to delete comments for both myself and also for that person. So I can delete it. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and delete comments on your Trello cards in Trello, guys. Very easy and very simple.